Hi, I'm Ryan Burton, Design Estimator at CSI, and welcome to this week's edition of Fittings Friday. A naval customer contacted me looking for a custom dip tube for use in one of their tanks. Due to the large size of this vessel, this dip tube is over 6 feet long and required a custom machine flange to connect to their process line. I designed the dip tube with a 3/4 size injection tube and a small branch that will be used to add additional products or chemicals whenever necessary. Thanks to CSI's custom machining capabilities, we were able to meet the exact specifications for the customer and provide them with a product that will last for years to come. If I can help you with your next fittings project, give me a call at 417-831-1411 and ask for Ryan, or visit csidesigns.com.